Hello everyone. Hello to all the students of University of Morocco. So I'm Nikhil Jain. I'm pursuing my PhD in Earth Sciences in Geomechanics. So today, as per your request, I'm here to talk about the importance of communication in technical studies. So engineering is a very important subject. All of you are bright computer science engineers and doing different kinds of engineering in your college. I appreciate that. But let me tell you the importance of communication in engineering life. Communication is one of the important subjects which most of the engineers all across the globe misses out. They think technology can make them sail their ways, but that's not possible. You may be good in your computer science, AI, blockchain, any coding skills, but the business people or how do you communicate to those business people are very, very important. When you're trying to communicate to those business people, you need to actually understand the value of communication skills. Why are you better? Why your codes are better? Everything I cannot go on GitHub and check it out. You need to express yourselves. There are a lot of things which communication solves in your career by expressing yourselves. Soft skill development is very, very important thing. Soft skill development in verbal and even in writing skills are excellent. So socializing is something very, very important. If we talk about LinkedIn, which is another social media platform for corporates, can help you untap your career opportunities provided your soft skills are very good, to be honest. So when we talk about soft skills, we should be talking about your debating skills, we should be talking about your public speaking skills, we should also be talking about your personal interview skills, your emotional quotient, your interactions on one-to-one basis. All these things add up to your persona. I'm not gonna hire you if at all I'm a HR, but just because you're a good coder. No, that's never happens in all of the tech giants. They hire you because you are culturally fit. Let me tell you, this is one of the best and the concern factor which is coming up in these years, cultural fit for the companies. So no matter how good you are in skill sets, but if you are lacking in communication skills, lacking that cultural fit, which also comes through your communication skills, it will be a hard time for you finding your jobs or different opportunities. So communication skills, to be honest, I have preserved from with lots of practice from past 6 to 8 years, and that's why I could able to achieve 2 or 3 startups in my past. I could able to mentor over 3,000 students, and then I've been a mentor for Government of India at Total Innovation. So all these things I would give a huge credit to communication skills. So let me tell you, students and aspiring engineers, do work hard on your communication skills. There's a good society in your college called Greater Debaters NCS. Do join it, do work hard there and excel in your life. Let's communicate.